The MSI GE66 Raider is equipped with 15.6 240Hz QHD display, delivers true-to-life images with a high refresh rate so you can see every frame of the game. With the redefined power of 11th General Intel Core i7 processor, delivers high performance to take on any games and applications with ease. The MSI GE66 Raider is powered by NVIDIA GeForce RTX. Take on today's most popular games with these performance graphics. Designed to be the ultimate portable gaming station with immense power and a 99.9 watt-hour battery to keep you gaming for longer. MSI's exclusive Cooler Boost technology ensures optimal thermal dissipation. Featuring 2 fans and 6 heat pipes, get the airflow you need for gaming. Customize each key to your liking and receive real-time in-game status through keyboard lighting, or even watch the lights dance to your favorite tune.